In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download OpenTable app on Android. First, let's begin by opening the Google Play Store. On your Android device, look for the icon that resembles a shopping bag with the Play Store logo. This is usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping this icon will bring you into the Play Store, where you have access to millions of apps. This is the first step in getting OpenTable on your device, so take a moment to locate the Play Store icon and tap on it. This action sets the stage for everything that follows. Once the Google Play Store is open, you will see a prominent search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on this search bar to activate it. Here, you can type in the name of the app you are looking for. In this case, type OpenTable using the on-screen keyboard. As you type, you might see suggestions appear below the search bar. This helps you find the app quickly. Typing it out ensures that you locate the exact application you want to install. After entering OpenTable, look through the search results that appear below. You should see the OpenTable app listed among the top results. It will be published by OpenTable Inc. Tap on this option to proceed. Selecting the correct app is crucial because there may be other similar apps in the search results. By choosing the official OpenTable app, you ensure you are downloading the right software for your needs. Now that you are on the OpenTable app page, you will see an Install button. Go ahead and tap this button to start the installation process. Once you do, the app will begin downloading onto your device. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This step is important because it allows you to have the OpenTable app readily available for your restaurant needs. After the app has finished downloading, it will automatically install on your device. This process usually takes just a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button appear on the app page. This confirms that the app is now part of your device. This makes sure your changes are saved and you can access the app immediately. Now tap the Open button. This action will launch the OpenTable app for the first time. Upon opening, the app may take a moment to load, displaying the OpenTable logo. Once it is fully loaded, you will be greeted with the app's home screen. This is where all the restaurant discovery and reservation magic happens. Next, you will need to sign in to your existing OpenTable account or create a new one if you do not have an account yet. If you already have an account, tap Sign In and enter your credentials. If not, select the Sign Up option. This allows you to create a new account by entering your details. Signing in or signing up is essential because it enables you to manage your reservations and earn rewards. Once you have signed in or created your account, you are ready to explore. Start searching for restaurants, making reservations, and managing your bookings. The app makes it easy to discover dining options nearby or in your desired location. You can modify or cancel reservations as needed. This flexibility enhances your dining experience and allows you to enjoy your meals without stress. The OpenTable app is free to download and is a valuable tool for anyone who enjoys dining out. You can discover restaurants, book tables, and earn dining rewards where available. With everything set up, you are now ready to make the most of your dining experiences. Enjoy your culinary adventures with OpenTable.